Hydraulics questions and answers number 2. Question 1. Liquids. A. Cannot be compressed. B. Do not occupy definite shape. C. Are not affected by change in pressure and temperature. D. None of these.
The correct answer is option B. Do not occupy definite shape.
Question 2. The ratio of the percentagge error in the discharge and percentage error in the measurement of head over a triangular notch is A. 2/3. B. 3/2. C. 2/5. D. 5/2.
The correct answer is option D. 5/2.
Question 3. The ratio of the inertia and gravitational force acting in any flow, ignoring other forces, is called A. Euler number. B. Freud number. C. Reynold number. D. Weber number.
The correct answer is option B. Freud number.
Question 4. Non-overflow double curvature concrete arch is provided in A. Bakra Dam. B. Hirikon Dam. C. Nagarjunasagar Dam. D. Idukki Dam.
The correct answer is option D. Idukki Dam.
Question 5. For the most economical trapezoidal open channel. A. Half of the top width must be equal to one of the sloping sides. B. The hydraulic mean depth must be equal to half the depth of flow. C. The semicircle drawn with top width as diameter must touch the three sides of the channel. D. All of these.
The correct answer is option D. All of these.
Question 6. Hydraulic ram is a device. A. For lifting water without an electric motor. B. For accelerating water flow. C. For lifting heavy loads. D. None of these.
The correct answer is option A. For lifting water without an electric motor.
Question 7. Gauge pressure is A. Absolute pressure, atmospheric pressure. B. Absolute pressure plus atmospheric pressure. C. Atmospheric pressure, absolute pressure. D. None of these.
The correct answer is option A. Absolute pressure, atmospheric pressure.
Question 8. If jet of water coming out from a nozzle with a velocity 9.81 meters per second, the angle of elevation being 30 degrees, the time to reach the highest point is A. 0.25 s. B. 0.50 s. C. 1.0 s. D. 1.5 s.
The correct answer is option B. 0.50 s.
Question 9. If cohesion between the molecules of a fluid is more than adhesion between the fluid and glass, the free level of fluid in a dipped glass tube will be A. Higher than the surface of liquid. B. Same as the surface of liquid. C. Lower than the surface of liquid. D. None of these.
The correct answer is option C, lower than the surface of liquid.
Question 10. The continuity equation A. expresses the relationship between work and energy. B. relates the momentum per unit volume between 2 points on a streamline. C. relates mass rate of flow along a streamline. D. requires that Newton's second law of motion be satisfied at every point in fluid.
The correct answer is option C, relates mass rate of flow along a streamline.
Question 11. Water displaced by a floating wooden block of density 0.75, 5 meters long, 2 meters wide and 3 meters high, is A. 17.5 cubic meter. B. 20.0 cubic meter. C. 22.5 cubic meter. D. 25 cubic kilometers.
The correct answer is option C, 22.5 cubic meter.
Question 12. In pipelines, a surge tank is provided. A. to relieve the pressure due to water hammer. B. to provide additional water head. C. to overflow the pipeline when suddenly closed. D. to remove the frictional loss in pipe.
The correct answer is option A, to relieve the pressure due to water hammer.
Question 13. Total head of a liquid particle in motion is the sum of A. potential head and kinetic head. B. kinetic head and pressure head. C. potential head and pressure head. D. potential head, kinetic head and pressure head.
The correct answer is option D, potential head, kinetic head and pressure head.
Question 14. The velocity distribution of viscous fluid through a circular pipe is A. hyperbolic. B. circular. C. parabolic. D. elliptical.
The correct answer is option C, parabolic.
Question 15. If U, V, W are the components of the velocity v of a moving particle, the equation represents A. one-dimensional flow. B. two-dimensional flow. C. three-dimensional flow. D. none of these.
The correct answer is option C, three-dimensional flow.
Question 16. Mercury is generally used in barometers because A. its air pressure is practically zero. B. the height of the barometer will be less. C. it is a best liquid. D. both A and B above. E. both B and C above.
The correct answer is option D, both A and B above.
Question 17. Flow in pipes is laminar if Reynold number is A. less than 2100. B. more than 3000. C. between 2100 and 3000. D. none of these.
The correct answer is option A. less than 2100.
Question 18. In flow, the liquid particles may possess A. Potential energy, B. Kinetic energy, C. Pressure energy, D. All the above.
The correct answer is option D, all the above.
Question 19. Euler's equation for the motion of liquids assumes that A. Fluid is viscous, B. Fluid is homogeneous and incompressible, C. Velocity of flow is non-uniform over the section, D. Flow is unsteady along the streamline.
The correct answer is option B, fluid is homogeneous and incompressible.
Question 20. The height of water level in a tank above the center of a circular hole 2.5 centimeters in diameter is 50 meters. The velocity of water flowing through the hole is A. 31.1 meters per second, B. 31.2 meters per second, C. 31.3 meters per second, D. 31.4 meters per second.
The correct answer is option C, 31.3 meters per second.
Question 21. A steady uniform flow is through A. A long pipe at decreasing rate, B. A long pipe at constant rate, C. An expanding tube at constant rate, D. An expanding tube at increasing rate, E. A long pipe at increasing rate.
The correct answer is option B, a long pipe at constant rate.
Question 22. Cavitation is caused by A. Low pressure, B. High pressure, C. Low velocity, D. High velocity, E. None of these.
The correct answer is option A, low pressure.
Question 23. Mach number is the ratio of inertia force to A. Viscosity, B. Surface tension, C. Gravitational force, D. Elasticity.
The correct answer is option D, elasticity.
Question 24. The main assumption of Bernoulli's equation is A. The velocity of energy of liquid particle across any cross-section of a pipe is uniform. B. No external force except the gravity acts on the liquid. C. There is no loss of energy of the liquid while flowing. D. All the above.
The correct answer is option D, all the above.
Question 25. For critical depth of flow of water in open channels, Fc the specific energy must be A. Minimum, B. Maximum, C. Average of maximum and minimum, D. None of these.
The correct answer is option A, minimum.
Question 26. Kinematic viscosity of liquids by equation is determined by A. Redwood viscometer, B. Angular viscometer, C. Saybolt universal viscometer, D. None of these.
The correct answer is option C, Saybolt universal viscometer.
Question 27. If the forces are due to inertia and gravity, and frictional resistance plays only a minor role, the design of the channels is made by comparing A. Reynold number, B. Froude number, C. Weber number, D. Mach number.
The correct answer is option B, Froude number.
Question 28. The discharge over a Cipolletti weir of length 2.185 meters when the head over the weir is 1 meter, is A. 2.0 cubic meter, B. 2.5 cubic meter, C. 3.0 cubic meter, D. 4.0 cubic meter.
The correct answer is option D, 4.0 cubic meter.
Question 29. The velocity of the fluid particle at the center of the pipe section is A. Minimum, B. Maximum, C. Equal throughout, D. None of these.
The correct answer is option B, maximum.
Question 30. Due to decrease of diameter of the droplet, inside pressure intensity A. Increases, B. Decreases, C. Remains unaffected, D. None of these.
The correct answer is option A, increases.
Question 31. In order to avoid capillary correction, the minimum diameter of a manometer used for measuring pressure should be A. 2 mm, B. 4 mm, C. 6 mm, D. 8 mm, E. 10 mm.
The correct answer is option C, 6 mm.
Question 32. When water flows over a rectangular suppressed weir, the negative pressure created beneath the nap A. Increases the discharge, B. Decreases the discharge, C. Does not affect the discharge, D. None of these.
The correct answer is option A, increases the discharge.
Question 33. Barometers are used to measure A. Pressure in water channels, pipes etc. B. Difference in pressure at 2 points. C. Atmospheric pressure, D. Very low pressure, E. Very high pressure.
The correct answer is option C, atmospheric pressure.
Question 34. For most economical rectangular section of a channel, the depth is kept A. 1/4 of the width, B. 3 times the hydraulic radius, C. Half the width, D. Hydraulic mean depth, E. None of these.
The correct answer is option C, half the width.
Question 35. In a centrifugal pump casing, the flow of water leaving the impeller is A. Rectilinear flow, B. Radial flow, C. Free vortex motion, D. Forced vertex.
The correct answer is option C, free vortex motion.
Question 36. In fluids, steady flow occurs when A. Conditions of flow change steadily with time. B. Conditions of flow do not change with time at a point. C. Conditions of flow remain the same at adjacent point. D. Velocity vector remains constant at a point.
The correct answer is option B, conditions of flow do not change with time at a point.
Question 37. From a nozzle exposed to atmosphere, the liquid jet traverses A. A straight line. B. A circular path. C. An elliptical path. D. A parabolic path.
The correct answer is option D, a parabolic path.
Question 38. To avoid the force of surface tension in an inclined manometer, the minimum angle of inclination is A. 2 degrees. B. 3 degrees. C. 4 degrees. D. 5 degrees.
The correct answer is option C, 4 degrees.
Question 39. A closed cylindrical vessel of 100 cm diameter and 200 cm high is completely filled with a liquid SP. Weight 1,600 kg/m3 when rotated about its vertical axis at 100 revolutions per minute. The total pressure on its lid is A. 459 kilograms. B. 549 kilograms. C. 945 kilograms. D. 954 kilograms. E. 95.4 kilograms.
The correct answer is option D, 954 kilograms.
Thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share. Please comment, like and share.